In an unexpected twist of fate, Versace ambassadors and K-pop sensations Hyunjin from Stray Kids and NingNing from aespa recently joined forces for a mesmerizing visual spectacle in their second public interaction. The rendezvous took an unexpected turn when Hyunjin inadvertently crashed a dance challenge video featuring NCT's Taeyong and aespa's NingNing and Giselle, leaving fans speculating about the possibility of a spoiler. Confirming suspicions, aespa's official channels surprised fans on December 29, 2023, with a captivating video showcasing Hyunjin and NingNing flawlessly executing the choreography of drama together. Hyunjin's impeccable execution of each dance move added to the allure of the performance, creating a harmonious visual treat for fans. Notably, the duo even sported similar attire, further emphasizing their synchronicity and shared enthusiasm for the collaboration. This unexpected collaboration not only showcased the duo's dance prowess but also highlighted their role as ambassadors for the prestigious fashion house, Versace. The luxury brand has enlisted Hyunjin and NingNing to represent its iconic image, a partnership that has brought about not only stunning visuals but also unexpected and delightful surprises for fans. The duo's partnership extends beyond dance floors, as they were previously spotted seated together at W Magazine Party. Their presence at the high-profile event fueled speculation about the depth of their friendship, leaving fans pleasantly surprised by the unexpected camaraderie between the two ambassadors. Fans expressed their joy and admiration for the dynamic duo, reveling in the unexpected friendship between Hyunjin and NingNing. The positive response suggests that the two ambassadors have become better friends than anticipated, further enhancing their appeal as a collaborative force. What are your thoughts about this? Comment down below.